Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So in this video, we will see how to submit the post data. So we have finished this reading of the data, and now in this video we will see how to submit this post data. So here this is our server, right? So this is our post router, and in this post router, now what I will try to do here, so add post data. For this one, we need to have router dot post of slash post, okay, and we will be having the request and response. And for this one, what I can do, we need to get the post data, right? So constant post single post is equal to, so here we'll be having an id of 3, and we can have a title. So this title comes from the request dot body dot title. So this one is submitted by the form, and description is request dot body dot description. That's it. Now we need to push this one into the post data. So here I can write post dot push of post single post. So this push, and now I can do the console dot log. So post data received at, I can use new date dot to locally time string. So I can use it like this. Now we pushed the data. Now here I need to send this one, right? JSON data. So here I can send message. So whatever the thing you want, you can send it. So message post added successfully, and another one what I can do is, so we can send the post also. So that's it. So we have added this post data. Now let's try to see it in the Postman. Before that, we need to start the server again. Not needed, just I am starting the server again. So let's go to here, and this is our add post data. So here we are having add post slash API slash post, and in the body, so I am adding sample like this. Okay, so I am trying to send the data. Let's try to send the data. If I try to click on sending, so we are able to success. So server is not running. So let it start. So server has started. Okay. So what I will try to do is, so let's go into the Postman, and here I will be sending like this, and we got an error. Why? Because undefined. So if you try to see it in the console, we are able to see undefined reading title. Title is undefined, it seems, this one. So let's try to see what is the body. Console.log request.body. Let's see what is the request.body. If I try to submit this one again, send, and we got the same error. Let's go into the console and see the request body we are getting is an undefined. So what we need to do, so that means the express by default, it will not parse the body. So we need to explicitly tell to parse the body. So for that one, what we need to do is, in the app.js, we need to add a middleware. So app.use. So we have in the express by default one, the .url encoded. So this will be, what this will do is, it will try to take the data present in the HTTP body, and it will pass it to the request.body. So it will add it in the request.body. So URL encoded. If your data is coming in the JSON format, then you need to use express.json. So that depends. So which one you want to use it, that depends. So here I am using this URL encoded thing. So I don't want to go much deeper into this one. If you want, you can go back to my node course. So that's it. The parse router is finished. Post router. And let's check that whether the post is submitted or not. So if we try to see here in our thing, and if I click on the send, see, now the post has been successfully submitted. Now we are able to see post added successfully, and the post details also we are able to see. Okay. So now we are able to successfully add the post. So here, if you try to see, so the post and all those things we are able to see it, right? Now what I want to do is, so here we are trying to add the constant. So we need to add it a unique ID. So all the time we are adding the same ID. So normally in the databases, we'll be having the primary key and all those things. We'll be having a unique ID. But here we need to have, so I am creating something like create ID. So I want to make it very simple. Hey, what is this one now? Create ID. Okay. Now here I am creating a constant create ID is equal to, and I will make it as a simple. So here it will try to return date dot now, and I can use something like math dot random dot to fixed of 0. That's it. It will return this one, create ID, and that's it. So that's more than enough. So we are creating the post. Now if I try to go here and if I try to click on this one, so this time we are able to get the unique ID. Okay. So this is how I want to do it. So this is how, so we are able to successfully add the post data. Now if I try to get the posts, if I click on the send, this time we will be having more than 2. So these are all what we have added dynamically, right? So we have added this one as dynamically. So that is the reason we are able to see it. So this is how, so now right now the post data is working and also the get data is working. Now we need to do the update and delete, and we can go back to our HTML thing. So sorry, Ajax things. So let's try to do it this one. So here we have used this express.url encoded. So this is used for parsing of the HTTP body. If you want, you can use this JSON. So then it will, if the data is coming in a JSON format, it will pass that JSON format and it will keep it in the request.body. So that is what I want to explain it. Hope you understood about this post data. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.